Are we there yet? I'm bored. My socks are on the wrong feet. Can we play in the pool? You guys have this problem when you take that 15-minute trek from your house to grandma's house with little brother, little sister, mom, dad, uncle, cousin, nephew down the road, best friend from years ago? Well, I have the solution for it. It's the perfect solution. Not only are you recycling, you are building mind skills too. Take a little recycled bottle, just a water bottle, but make sure that the label is off of it. That way that you can see all the way through it. And you want to fill it up with rice to about right here. That's going to leave you some shaking room, right? We're not building maracas. We're not building musical instruments. We're making a sensory item. We're going to call it I Spy in a Bottle. So what you do with I Spy in a Bottle is make your list of little small items that will easily fit through the lid of your opening. Mine is 2 pennies, an acorn, a pop tab, 3 buttons, a marble, a pinto bean, a rubber band, a screw, a cat treat, a dried green bean, and a toothpick. So what you do with this is, I can see my yellow button on top, on your way from point A to point B, is you challenge who's ever in the back seat with you. Whoever finds everything on the list first gets a prize. Maybe it's stop for ice cream, or maybe it's get to ride in the front seat on the way back. But all you have to do is put your items in there and you roll it around until you find everything. And as you find it, you check it off your list. Make it a race, make it a competition. But do make it safe. Let's make sure that we do attach the lid on there. That way it doesn't become a choking hazard for someone too young. Safety first, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little activity. Send us videos of your I Spy bottles. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time. Thanks, guys.